Denmark. Today the weather looks nice here in Denmark, so I can open up my wooden department and make some more progress on my toolboxes. I repaired the planer the other day, and now I need to run the wood again because it was too thick. And as you can see, I have my air cooler there. I have to have a good weather to clean this because I need to stand outside to do it. But today, in the good weather, it'll be the toolboxes. My sawdust sucking machine has to be outside too. Here you see my tools, and I plan to make it with finger joints here in the corners and just a sliding lid here to be moved in some what do you call them? I don't know. And a button. And I can see here in the drawing that I need to do some fixes after I have glued it together, and I'll have to live with that. Maybe the wood will split here somewhere too, and I have to fill it up with some glue and sawdust mixed together. But I think that'll be very nice for the threading tools. And I'll make one for the big one, and that's this one here, and one for the smaller. The same principle, and just another width and length and height. It ain't as easy as it looks when you see it on YouTube videos. And for an iron metal man, it is a job to have the right tools, and making it is too big a story for just a one-timer. But I can use it, and there's a little after work here with clamping and fiddling small pieces that have to be glued here and there. But it's gonna be nice, I think. Another day with non-raining weather here in Denmark, so I'll see if I can sand these finger joints and make the last things to do here. Add some small pieces around and glue them, and tie them up in some vices, and then wait for them to cure till tomorrow, and then make the last things. Yeah, come back when I finish. Oh, it's a mess to add the glue and clamp them up. It has to be done on all four corners at the same time, nearly. And you have glue all over your fingers and hands, and the clamps aren't to get fixed to the length and so on. It's a mess. Here the first one, but there's a lot of sanding to do. But with a belt sander, handheld belt sander, you can come really close to a nice surface here. But I thought I could have made it better, but I couldn't. And it's a little tedious work fits nice in there. Then I'll make some studs for it to rest on, and the tools, screwdrivers and so, should be there too. So yeah. And with some Danish oil on, it always looks better. And this piece here is something we call, in Denmark we call masonite. I think it's pre-MDF plate. Pre-MDF. Many years old. But when it gets some Danish oil, it'll stay harder and looks more dark than it is now. Yeah. Now I'll wait for the other one to cure, and then I'll sand them both in one operation. Now I got them both sanded, but there's some holes and some glue that sticks to the wood now, so that I can't. I will definitely see it when I give it linseed oil. But never mind. That's a little rough there. I have to rethink these saw cuts there too. Yeah. Well, it can't be like new. Now I'll give them some Danish oil or linseed oil or what you call it. Now I got it. Very, very beautiful color. And it's so unique for the environment. You can make food, use it in your food making. In fact, the seeds from where it is made, we use it in our bread every day. Now I just finished giving the boxes linseed oil. In some places you can't see this glue that was on the surface, here for example. But never mind. So now I just have to wait for them to cure. And if you use seed oil, remember that all the rags you use have to be drowned in water or left outside to dry, because they are self-inflammable, and it's true. So watch out for that if you use linseed oil. Just leave them outside to dry. It's a new day, and linseed oil cured during the night, and now today I will do the interior parts of the boxes. Outside they look really nice, I think. Some places there are some glue visible. Some places they are a little rough. That's because the bad quality of the tree. And some places I need to glue in some extra material, but I choose to not do it. And the next time, if I'll make some new boxes for another project, then I'll take care of it earlier in the process. So now it's the interior parts I want to make. I thought about using some foam and then just press the part in this foam, but I think I'll use the studs instead. It's easier and it's more secure. I don't know how the steel will react to the foam. Some sort of chemical reaction in the long run. So I'll do the stud method and make one for each end, and then make it so high that the part here will just be able to sit there with the lid sliding close over it. Yeah. Now I have the idea. All of it in there. And when winter comes and I need some small projects, then I can make this over here spring loaded, so that it'll do so when I open up the lid and when I nice. Now I'll just have to do so and take out the tools. I think that's a good solution here.